Hi everyone! Welcome po no, sa video natin ngayon. Ako po ulit si Forex Coach Jonathan Lu and thank you for being here. Ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay ano ba dapat yung mga pairs or currencies na ititrade ko bago ako sa market? Ano ba dapat ang uunahin ko dyan? No? But before that, don't forget to like and subscribe po no, para lalo pa ako makagawa nito. Happy na ako yun lang. So anyway, so if you're a new trader and you see all of these pairs, di ba? Makita mo, buksan mo yung MetaTrader platform mo, buksan mo yung Market Watch, no? Yung symbols, biglang magbulat ka, no? Wow, ang dami palang nakikita dyan, no? You have, all sorts of things. You have Forex, you have, major pairs, cross pairs, exotic pairs, you have commodities, no? CFD stocks, ang dami mong pwedeng i-trade, no? And sometimes even cryptos. So, ano ba dapat yung unahin ko dyan, no? Lalo pag nakita mo yung mga, medyo confusing, yung sa may futures, no? Makikita mo US 30, no? US 500. Ano ba yung mga yan, no? So, my suggestion for new traders is that try to stick with the major currencies first, no? Pwede ka mag-trade ng major pairs at saka cross pairs, okay? Sa simula. Ngayon, explain ko lang ng konti, no? Kung ano ba yung usual characteristics ng ating mga major currencies para mas maintindihan natin, no, kung paano ba sila gumalaw. Okay. Number one is that you have your safe haven currencies. No, yung safe haven currencies natin, yan ang US dollar, Swiss francs, at saka Japanese yen. Yung tatlong currencies na yan are normally used kapag medyo magulo yung market or medyo may uncertainty. No? So, kanwari, meron kang gera, meron kang trade war, meron kang kaguluhan, no, kagaya nung nangyari sa pandemic, no? Or you have some sort of tension, no? May problem sa world economy, no? Probably yung investors would put their money doon sa may safer assets, no? So diyan lumalakas yung ating mga safe havens. Okay? Now, you also have commodity currencies. Ang commodity currencies naman, yan yung Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, at saka New Zealand dollar. Bakit sila tinatawag na commodity currencies? Kasi meron silang, kumbaga, dependent sila sa isang major commodity, no? So, kumbaga, malaki sa exports nila is based on a certain commodity. So, for example, New Zealand, gatas, no? Yung Australia is iron, Canada is oil. So, they are very sensitive, no, to the yung demand, no, nung market, no, or baka minsan mag-oversupply. So very sensitive yung mga currencies na yun. Now, if there is a lot of growth, kumbaga confidence sa market, ang tawag kasi doon risk on, no? Kumbaga confident yung investors, mukhang lalakas talaga, everything's going well, then you would expect that these commodities, no, commodity currencies would rise, aakyat sila. Okay? Pero kapag pangit yung market, lilipat yung pera papunta doon sa mga safe havens. Okay? Now, ano naman yung euro at saka pound? What category would that fall into? Actually, dahil napaka well-rounded nung kanilang economy, they don't fall under either category. No? Kasi hindi sila dependent on a single commodity kasi well-rounded sila. No? At the same time, hindi rin sila ginagamit as a safe haven. So you have to look at them individually. Ano bang nangyayari sa economy nila, no? Para ma-keep track mo if, there is demand for their currency, no? Or anong pwedeng mangyari. Okay? So I suggest that you focus on those major currencies. Now you can pair them up, no? Ang suggestion ko is try to pair up a commodity currency against a safe haven currency. Or pwede rin sabihin natin si euro or si pound, you pair it against a safe haven currency or pair it against a commodity currency. It might be difficult to trade at the start kung pareho silang safe haven na commodity. Kanwari, trade ka ng USD Swiss francs, no? It might not be easy kasi baka mamaya parehong malakas silang dalawa. You don't know which one will come out as a winner. And same thing, you're trading dalawang commodity currencies. You're trading the Australian dollar against the Canadian dollar, no? Sabihin natin, risk on yung market, no? Kumbaga confident yung market, pareho sila malakas. We don't know which one is gonna go stronger, no? So, try to think about that when you're starting. And last note, no? Please do not overexpose yourself to one particular currency. Anong ibig sabihin nun? normally yung mga new traders, they tend to expose themselves to the US dollar a lot. For example, nakita mo may trade opportunity ka with the Australian dollar against the US dollar, kinuha mo. May nakita kang trade USD against the JPY, kinuha mo. Meron ka na trade euro against the US dollar, no? Kasi usual recommendation, major pairs, di ba? Yan yung unahin natin dapat. So, kinuha mo lahat ng major pairs. Now, if something happens to the US, syempre, apektado lahat yon. So, try to limit your exposure on, di ba, sa isang particular asset or instrument, no? Or isang currency, konti lang dapat. Tipong dalawang trade lang siguro doon at most, no? Try not to get all of them. Okay? Kasi kapag tama ka, okay, muchas gracias, kita ka. Pero kapag kumbaga pangit yung galaw, di lahat yan malamang talo. Okay? So, you have to keep that in mind. Right? So, hopefully, nakatulong po ng konti itong video na to. Don't forget to like and subscribe, no, para lalo pa ako makagawa ng mga ganitong klaseng videos. And I will see you guys sa ating Discord group, no. Yung mga hindi pa alam kung ano yung Discord, yan po yung parang group chat natin sa PAFTI. Lahat nandun eh. Andun yung full courses natin. Andun yung ating mga updates, no, ano yung mga pwedeng i-trade, trade ideas, no, ano nangyari sa market. And you can also chat with fellow traders, no, para matulungan tayo na, improve and get better at trading. All right. So anyway, thank you guys. I will see you on our next video. Thank you for watching.